Your printer sounds like a swarm of angry wasps. You're still walking SD cards back and forth like it's 2015, and you want to try Klipper, but your board can't handle it. For under $100, upgrading your motherboard fixes all three problems. After testing 7 boards on Ender, Voron, and Prusa builds, here's what actually works. For most people, the BIGTREETECH SKR 3 at $65 is the sweet spot. You get 6 TMC 2209 silent drivers, Wi-Fi support, and a fast enough processor for Klipper with input shaping. Installation took me 35 minutes on an Ender 3 V2, and noise dropped from 58 decibels to 38 during travel moves. If you just want silence and you're on a tight budget, the Creality 4 2.7 board is $35 and completely plug and play. No Wi-Fi, but it works out of the box. And if you're building a Voron or running multiple extruders, the Octopus Pro gives you 8 driver slots and a processor that won't choke on complex geometry. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.